Patrick, I don't really like social media. I would never share personal things about my life on social channels. But do you have public topics that you're passionate about? Yeah, that's the stuff. I had a great conversation with Miss Rebecca White this week, and she was trying to create goals and milestones for her team members, her marketing team. And it helped me to materialize something, because when she wrote her goals, she was writing increase in followers, increase in subscribers. She was talking about increase in frequencies or increases in consistencies. And I was looking at that list and I thought that's a really great place to start. But then I basically said, what you wrote down was, you wrote down just work and tasks. You wrote down just the job description for a marketer. These weren't goals. These are specific and measurable outcomes that we would just expect from increasing consistency of marketing and hiring someone to take over a high volume of marketing tasks for us. Those weren't goals. It reminded me, agents back in the prospecting days, they would set a goal for how many contacts they would want to make. You guys join the Tom Ferry coaching and they say you should have a goal for how many conversations per day. And so people would talk about their goal of conversations per day or goal for total number of contacts. Back in the day, we used to refer to that as contactitis. I need conversations. I need contacts. No, you don't. So the goal is lead acquisition. The goal is appointments. And so with Rebecca, these aren't goals. These are a job description. Take me from blank number of Facebook followers to blank. Take me from blank number of YouTube subscribers to blank number of email newsletter to blank number of frequency of post from X to Y. Fine. That's just the job. What is your goal? The goal is outcomes. And so last week we spent some time on what are the different types of social media posts, content types we would want to see in our social media. Then before that, we looked at the thing that most of you are still really underperforming on, which is all of the different content that's available for us to create between social, between email, between Google Business Profile, when we really look in depth at the customer's journey from start to finish. And we really just need to be working on building templates, examples, and different formats for different platforms for all these different moments. Monica said to me yesterday,
okay, I'm bringing this property to the market. We invested $250,000 and this was $1 million. If I would have sold it, it would have been $1 million. Now I'm probably going to sell it for 1.7.
And that took, what, 3 months or whatever it took. And I said, so how much content was created during that experience? How many templates have been established for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, email for what an epic journey of a customer and a property? And we already know what the answer is. The answer was, I didn't, right? That's what the opportunity is for all of us, though, and is because you guys just do the thing, but you didn't realize what an amazing opportunity for quality content and that quality content moment, that story, then to platform, then to format example, carousel, written post, image, short video, whatever it is, fine.
Today's episode is sponsored by my favorite virtual assistant hiring company, Sphere Rocket VA. I've created a great relationship with them, so I'm very proud to offer a sponsorship link for those of you like me who are looking to build their digital marketing team. I currently have 3 virtual assistants, one to help me manage my coaching business and all the admin, and then 1 video editor, and then 1 to help me with my digital marketing. If you are looking to build a nice little team, Sphere Rocket VA is absolutely worthy of your choice. Once you schedule an appointment, the link down below, I will shoot you over an email with all of my resources and the information to the VA Digital Marketing Mastermind that you can come join. So I look forward to connecting with you and helping you build your digital marketing VA team.
And so our job as a group is just to build this kind of content library out so that we have an endless supply of epic content marketing strategies that produce extraordinary results. We discussed last week, I shared that one post from Zach Nelson, which was that history, his first like baby realtor funny photo from 12 years ago, like him and his mom, and it's all cute. And then each thing was the evolution of Zach Nelson's journey as a real estate agent. I was saying to you guys, what a great format. And what a great post to redo every year or to redo every time you do get new photos. And this should just be a post that just gets done every year. It's just in the library. That's a perfect example of what we're trying to accomplish here. The reason why I brought that up is because this morning when I was listening to Gary Vee's new book, which is Day Trading Attention, he's one of the best things to do on social when you have a professional brand is to do those throwback photos of you to humanize you. So he literally, Gary Vee, one of the top social media experts on the planet, is literally talking about this one content type that we just discussed. Now start building out that example with your team member. Then you now have your own version, and then that gets stored into a spot. And then every year moving forward, we relook at how to reuse that template example. So that's how to build high quality content strategy. When I was talking to Zach, also, he was saying, all right, we're going to work on a real intense level of frequency of posts. And we started down this topic of frequency. And I said, Zach, don't even talk to me about frequency until we've discussed topics, content type, and formats and ways that we're going to do this. Most of you guys start with frequency and then you go fill the void with stupidity. Start with what are the topics that you're passionate about publicly. My favorite stupid thing I hear from an agent is, Patrick, I don't really like social media. I would never share personal things about my life on social channels. And I'm like, of course not. Why would anyone do that? But do you have public topics that you're passionate about? But yeah, that's the stuff. I'm not going to share anything that I'm not interested in. Good, please don't. But what are you interested in? What actually is inspiring? And usually what happens is that becomes your public brand. Are you passionate about real estate? Sure. Are you passionate about your community at all? Maybe. Are you passionate about different niches? Sure. Are you passionate about different things like me? Sports, like soccer, Manchester United, beach volleyball, skateboarding, snowboarding, having fun with my kids, beach, books, podcasts, real estate economy, real estate investing. You guys already know that those are the things that I'm very interested in. And if you actually went to my social channels, you would see those reflected. Those are public topics that I'm passionate about. I wouldn't share anything that was private, personal, that I wouldn't be willing to engage publicly. That's stupid, okay? So please, what are those topics? What are you actually passionate about? Who are your audiences? In the book, Gary Vee talked about cohorts, and you can have niche cohorts and you can have general cohorts, it's fine. Then from there, we can go to platform and types. Now, from there, we can build out the literally epic volumes of quality content on all channels that reflect your personal brand. So starting with frequency is the dumbest thing that I hear. If you guys haven't bought Gary Vee's new book, please start yesterday. Now, the first 2 chapters are going to go right over all of your head, and congratulations, welcome to the party. Meaning he just went right over my head and I was like, yes, I got so much more to learn. Loved it. I will come back to those chapters and I will revisit those multiple times. Then I got into chapter, I think I'm like chapter 5 or 6 in the book, and whammo, there's some just immediately practical advice that's like epic. So please don't, oh, Patrick, I read the first chapter and it went over my head, so I just stopped listening. We need to do some auditing of your current organic reach, or how big is your marketing opportunity. And we need to start to contend with the fact that a lot of you guys have a significant organic reach right now that we're not even tapping into at all. So how many people are in your email database? What's your average open rate? What's your average click-through rate? How many friends, Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat, X? What's the total current social audience size? What's the total current email audience size? Some of you guys have website visitors on a regular basis. Google Business Profile, you get a report from Google Business Profile that indicates how many visitors and views per month. Okay, so if we really look at what's the total number of people you have the opportunity to influence per month, the numbers are astronomical. The total number of measurable results from your marketing efforts is not even a conversation that we're having, which is annoying, weird. Let's solve that today. So I said, so here's some stuff. I said, how to track and measure the key performance indicators. What do we want here? I want new home searchers per month that registered on my website and started their home search with me because I extended the offer to people organically for free. For some of you, maybe if you're like a Compass concierge, that they would email you or text message you a request for the Compass collection that they would want to have you set up. How many home buying consultations would you like to, on a monthly basis, have be requested of you through the 10,000 people? What are these KPIs that we need to be looking at? How many new home bots? How many new selling consultation? New followers? New home selling consultations, new closings. But you get the point. What's our goal for this stuff, right? Patrick, I need to increase the consistency of my marketing. What are you talking about? I really need to do more posting. What are you talking about? I need to get some YouTube videos done. Why? Because I need to be more consistent. I don't want consistency. You want clients. Oh yeah, that's right, I want clients. So Sherry, how many videos did you do? How many total views? How many total leads did you create? How many sales? Is there a ratio there? Patrick, I need to create 10 more videos. So Sherry, here's an example. Okay. My wife's real estate client, good friends of mine. She created a niche YouTube channel. Some of you guys probably already know who she is and bought products from her, and you just don't even know it. She created a niche YouTube channel, then created a product and service for the niche, then sold the product and service from the YouTube channel, then which spun off into expanding her audience with social media so she can sell more product. And then she said to me one time, Patrick, for every new YouTube video I create, I make another $5,000 that year. Oh, does she know her KPIs? I was like, that's awesome. Do you guys follow me? Patrick, I want to go from 4 emails to 10 emails a month. Why? I don't know, because Jason Pantena says I should send 3. What are we doing here? Do you guys follow me?